Bowtay. Bowtay. Building skill. He looks cute.
There, you got some.
Yep.
Ah!
Are you gonna videotape me or what? No.
Yes, in a second I will.
Guys, this is my pumpkin. I made him.
Very cool. Are y'all done already?
Almost.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I didn't paint the bottom. You have to carry it all around like this.
Careful so your hands aren't getting in the paint. If you're done, you should let her dry. Super cool.
Slippery.
Yeah, they're gonna be slippery.
Remember to subscribe. Pretty please. Everything's okay. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.